We expected to integrate this. I'm going to take this as I and rewrite it as integral 0 to 1 root of 1 negative x divided by 1 positive x. I'm going to multiply the numerator by 1 negative x, divide by 1 negative x times dx. This is equal to 0 to 1. Square root of these like terms will give me 1 negative x. This is going to be root of 1 positive x times 1 negative x times dx. I can rewrite this as 0 to 1 1 negative x over root of 1 positive x times 1 negative x is going to be 1 negative x squared times dx. This is going to be integral 0 to 1 over root of 1 negative x squared times dx, positive x over root of 1 negative x squared times dx. The limits are 0 to 1. Now this is nothing but sine inverse of x formula, 0 to 1 positive. Now for this I'm going to take 1 negative x squared is equal to t squared. So negative 2x dx is equal to 2 times dt. 2 gets cancelled. So you have x dx is equal to negative t dt. So substitute that, negative t dt divided by root of t squared. And this is going to be negative t over root of t squared is t times the dt. dt gets cancelled, you're getting negative integral dt, which is nothing but t. But t squared is this, so t will be root of 1 negative x squared. So negative root of 1 negative x squared. Now you place the limits 0 to 1. Okay, you don't have to change the limits here, but you can revert the limits back over here. So I substitute the upper limit, I get root of 1 negative 1. Negative, I substitute the lower limit, I get root of 1. So this is going to vanish, this is going to give me 1. So we now have sine inverse of x 0 to 1 positive 1. I substitute the upper limit, sine inverse of 1, negative sine inverse of 0, positive 1. This vanishes, this gives me pi over 2 positive 1. Okay, so one important thing is that now actually when we are splitting up, I have to make an append here. So this is actually negative, but I have placed here as positive. So this will be negative, 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 negative 1, negative 1. So the final solution is pi over 2 negative 1.